Hi everyone, I'm going over the hand holding a light assignment today. This is very similar to our last one, except we're just going to be putting our hand in it instead to practice ambient lighting. So for our materials, we're going to need a pencil, an eraser, a pencil sharpener, keep everything all nice and sharp, and paper of course, and lastly you're going to need a phone or a camera to take a picture with, and then also a light source in a dark room for you to take a picture of. And last but not least, you're going to need a hand. It can be your hand, a friend's hand, someone in your family. But of course, if you're working with a flame or anything hot, please be careful. So let's get started. Alright, so I wanted to do a picture of a candle with my hand next to it, so this is kind of what I'm looking for right here. We want a picture of your light next to your hand, and you want the cast light to be casting on your hand so you have a very soft glow. This can be with a candle, this can be with a glow-in-the-dark, thing, or string lights, anything you like really. Alright, now let's get right back into it. So again, this project is really similar to our last one. We're working on creating the illusion of glowing light. This time it's just going to be that and also casting on your hand. So we get that kind of peripheral glow and we start to really get into how exactly does light move in a dark space and hit other objects. So here I am just starting off with my sketch, very rough, and then I go in blocking my values. You're going to notice here when I'm working on this one that I used a black marker to do the background. This was because I wanted the background to be really, really, really black. Having that really dark background is what makes the really light value of the glow pop, which is what we want, because black and white are opposites. So to make the white look super white, we need that complementary. So I used a black marker. If you have one, I really recommend it because it really is nice and black. So yeah, and then after that, I focused on making the candle the brightest part, and then I know that light like this radiates out in a circle, so I'm making sure that the places around the hand that hit it are doing that. So I hope that makes sense. Here's my finished example. And here is another one that this is a one that I did in college. I did a really similar assignment, which inspired me to assign this one to you. So this one was with gouache, but I'm using the same principles here. So I hope these are helpful, guys, and I hope you have a great week, and I can't wait to see what you make.